As morning light fills the room, the body quietly begins another day of repair, movement, and renewal. Yet, the first choices people make after waking may influence far more than how the morning feels. Across different cultures, many long-lived communities share surprisingly simple morning rituals. They're not complicated, expensive, or designed to deliver overnight transformations. Instead, they are small habits repeated consistently over many years. Modern researchers continue exploring how these everyday routines may support healthy aging, energy, mobility, and overall well-being. And while no single habit can stop the aging process, together they create a foundation that has stood the test of time. Today we'll explore 6 gentle morning habits that have remained popular for generations and why science is paying attention to them. Healthy aging is often imagined as something influenced only by genetics, but research increasingly suggests that daily lifestyle choices also play an important role in how people age. Morning routines are especially interesting because they help establish the body's rhythm for the rest of the day. Sleep, movement, digestion, hydration, and even mood begin interacting within the first hour after waking. Rather than dramatic changes, these habits focus on consistency, something that many traditional wellness practices have emphasized for centuries. Let's begin with one of the simplest. Habit 1. Hydrate before the day begins. After several hours of sleep, the body naturally loses water through breathing and perspiration. Beginning the day with hydration has long been a common practice in many cultures. Researchers continue studying how proper hydration supports normal circulation, temperature regulation, digestion, and cognitive function throughout the day. Many people simply enjoy a glass of plain water after waking. Others prefer warm water, especially in traditional wellness practices, where it has often been associated with a gentle start to digestion. While individual preferences vary, staying adequately hydrated remains one of the simplest ways to support the body's normal daily functions. The habit may seem almost too ordinary to matter, but sometimes the smallest routines are the easiest to maintain for years. Habit 2. Move before sitting too long. It's common to wake feeling stiff, especially as people grow older. Overnight, joints remain relatively inactive and muscles spend hours at rest. Instead of beginning the morning seated for long periods, many people include gentle movement as part of their routine. Simple stretching, slow walking, light yoga, or basic mobility exercises have all been practiced for generations. Research suggests regular movement supports flexibility, balance, circulation, and healthy muscle function as part of an active lifestyle. The goal isn't an intense workout, it's simply encouraging the body to wake up gradually. Many long-lived communities naturally incorporate movement into their mornings through gardening, walking, or household activities rather than formal exercise. As the body becomes more active, another system begins preparing for the day: the internal clock. Habit 3. Step into natural morning light. Long before electric lighting existed, people naturally began their days outdoors. Today, researchers understand that exposure to natural morning light helps regulate the body's circadian rhythm, the internal clock that influences sleep, alertness, and many hormonal processes. Morning sunlight is also involved in signaling the body to reduce melatonin production after waking, supporting feelings of alertness. Even a few quiet minutes near a sunny window, on a balcony, or during a gentle walk outdoors can reconnect people with natural daylight. This isn't about seeking intense sun exposure. It's about allowing the body to recognize that a new day has begun. Once the body has awakened, nourishment becomes the next chapter. Habit 4. Choose a balanced first meal. Breakfast traditions differ around the world, but many cultures have long emphasized simple, minimally processed foods to begin the day. Researchers continue exploring how meals containing fiber, healthy fats, protein, and colorful plant foods may help support steady energy and overall nutritional balance. Fresh fruit, oats, yogurt, Eggs, nuts, seeds, or vegetables are just a few examples commonly included in balanced breakfasts across different regions. Rather than focusing on perfection, the idea is creating a meal that provides lasting nourishment instead of quick energy, followed by an early crash. Healthy aging is supported by patterns developed over time, not by one extraordinary breakfast. Caring for the body is only part of the morning. The mind also deserves attention. Habit 5. Begin the day with a moment of calm. Many traditional cultures begin the morning with quiet reflection, whether through meditation, prayer, journaling, deep breathing, or simply sitting peacefully with a warm cup of tea. These moments help create a slower transition into the day. Modern research continues investigating mindfulness practices for their potential role in supporting emotional well-being and helping people manage everyday stress. The practice doesn't require special equipment or lengthy sessions. Sometimes just 5 calm minutes before checking phones, emails, or social media can completely change the pace of the morning. Healthy aging involves caring for the mind as much as the body. Finally, one habit quietly ties all the others together. Habit 6. Keep the routine consistent. Perhaps the most overlooked habit isn't a specific activity at all. It's consistency. Whether someone drinks water, stretches, enjoys breakfast, or spends time outdoors, these routines become meaningful because they are repeated day after day. Researchers studying healthy aging often point to long-term lifestyle patterns rather than isolated actions. The body responds remarkably well to regular rhythms. Sleep schedules become more predictable. Meals become more balanced. Movement becomes easier. Healthy choices gradually require less effort because they become familiar. Over months and years, these ordinary routines can become part of a lifestyle rather than a temporary goal. Healthy aging rarely depends on one remarkable secret. Instead, it often grows from small habits repeated with patience. A glass of water, gentle movement, morning sunlight, a nourishing breakfast, a few quiet moments, and the consistency to begin again tomorrow. None of these routines promise extraordinary results on their own, but together they reflect a simple idea shared across many cultures, that caring for the body begins with caring for each new morning. As researchers continue learning more about healthy aging, these everyday habits remain a reminder that some of the most meaningful wellness practices have never been complicated. Tomorrow morning offers another opportunity to begin. Like and subscribe to Early Natural for more health tips.